So here is how you can insert a picture in Word on your Android phone. So if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course, at first we need to have the Microsoft Word app downloaded and installed on our device like so. So you can get inside and essentially you can start browsing any document you want, right? So you can get inside in here, like in the main section, and you can see all of the documents you have been working on. And the point is that once you get inside, you can go to the edit mode by clicking the pencil icon. And in there, you can obviously change and type in more text and so on. But the tools above your keyboard indicate some changes and things you can do. So, for example, you can change the text to be bold. You can see the color changes, alignment, and so on. But if you keep on scrolling in here, you will eventually get to the picture right there. So you're going to tap on the picture icon like so. It pulls up the gallery, right? So you can choose any image from your photos library like this one, click on it, done, and it will bring it over into the document, right? So it kind of depends on where exactly it places it. So as you can see, for me, it did it right in here. Obviously, you'll need to play around with that to make sure that you organize it properly according to the document, but that's how you can insert an image into your document, right? So you can also kind of make it smaller and you have the ability to rotate it as well. So it depends on what the goal is, but that's how you can import an image into the Microsoft Word. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up right now and I'll see you later.